2017 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, Xenon headlights, Bluetooth, front wheel drive, automatic transmission, cruise control, heated driver's seat, compass, power windows, power door locks, trip computer, tachometer, airbags, heated passenger seat, head-up display, driver memory seats, remote window operation, power heated outside mirrors. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.